Renzystylers, welcome back to another video. Today I am at Toner. It's a German style bathroom outlet where you can get your bathroom vanities, basins, mirrors and so on for your modern bathroom. Now these are vanities in different styles, different styles, and you can also get them in different colors. So I was touring their online page where I saw different vanities, and then I realized that there was an outlet here in Jamaica right on Alpha Tree Road 44 to be exact. So I am here going to show you what they have here, and if you're planning on doing some updating or home improvement, this video is just for you. Now starting off with these vanity, this is the Inalco wall mounted vanity. It is great for a master bathroom with 2 basins. It's scratch free, resistant, soft closing drawers, and it's great for storing towels, beauty products, toiletry and other hygiene products. So if you're looking for a nice bathroom, this one will enhance it. It comes with 2 mirrors and with LED lighting as well, and these LED mirrors has an anti-fogging function which removes water vapors. Over to this side we have the Furler, and this Furler is smaller in size for smaller bathroom. It comes in this oak and matte white finish. The drawers are fitted around the plumbing, and it's also include a LED mirror with the anti-fogging function as well. You receive the cabinet, the basin, the mirror and the faucet for only $160,000. The drawers inside are very deep, and as I mentioned, you will receive all these and more. So this is great for storing your essentials as well. Over to my right, they have the Bosco next to the Furler. The Bosco is a smaller type as well. It comes in 2 sizes, so you have a large size and a smaller size. It has a concealed jar as well, which is great for storing your supplies, and for $149,000 you get your basin, your mirror, your faucet and your cabinet. It is a modern piece, and this one will work for you. This one is a slim. The slim is $149,000. You receive the basin, the mirror and the faucet. It's slim edge, and the jars are there as well that you can store your bathroom essentials. So guys, you can come on and check these out if you are upgrading or doing some bathroom renovation. This is the Capri, and the Capri stands at $532,000. Yes. This one has an Italian porcelain countertop. It's in cement gray color, and if you're a person with the grand all, it will work for you. Next we have the Evana. So the Evana is a black and white vanity, the perfect combination of doors and drawers, which offers large storage capacity. It also have 2 basin large mirrors. Inside is inside the door here can store your toiletry or your cleaning supply. The drawers can store beauty supply, makeups and so on, and it stands at $375,000. It comes with the mirror. You get the whole complete unit for that price. So if you need like basins only, you can get the basins only from $24,000 up. They have them in different shape and colors and size. So you can get this black color, you can get it in the white, you can get it in the brown, you can get it in the dusty pink. They have them in a wide variety of colors. So you can always come and purchase the base only. So anytime you need to update the bathroom with just the basin, you can get it here. Over this section they have this 2-tone vanity. You can get it in the oak and the gray as well, and it has this marble countertop. You can get the basins only as well if you wish to do that purchase. It comes with this large mirror with LED lighting as well, so you can change it, the brightness on it if you wish. Over this section you can get the Felix. Now this Felix, it comes with a matte black countertop, and also it comes in the oak green. It has 2 push drawers that you can actually open smoothly. It closes silently as well, so you don't have to hear any slamming sound. The drawers are deep and have a lot of storage. This one here is the Grace, and the Grace is this oak and white vanity. It has the door and 2 drawers, which is big on storage. You get this one for $116,000. It also have this simple rectangular wall mirror that gives you a more industrial look. So if you're looking for something with drawers and stuff, this one would be great for you. So this one here is the Mini, and the Mini you can get it for like $48,000. So if you're working on a budget for your small bathroom, this one will be great for a tiny space. So this one, based on the Mini, it is less crowded, and below it you can get this space. You can include your faucet and stuff, so you get the faucet, the mirror and all for $48,000. Over here you get the Pahola. And the Pahola is this cute. It is great to decorate any small bathroom as well. It has 1 drawer which is concealed, and over this section you get the Victory, and the Victory is only $385,000. This would be great for a master bathroom. It comes with this black and white gloss finish, and you get the 2 basins. So if you want to create a his and her bathroom, you can get it here. So this one here is the Emily, and you can get the Emily in black and white, 2 drawers, again great on storage, for $180,000. Now, as I was walking through, I saw these bathtubs, and they have different size and style bathtub. Like this Leonardo bathtub, you can get it for $149,000. It comes in a full white, and also they have this Sea Star one for $358,000. So if you need like these stylish bathtub, these are for larger bathrooms, you can come on and get it. Also, they have the Oceana, and the Oceana is $337,000. So if you're building a new home, or you know, apartments, and so you have a friend and they want to get modern stuff, tell them to come to Tona on Alpha Tree Road. This is the Jill, and the Jill stands at $115,000. You get the large mirror, the basin, cabinet and faucet. It is good on storage as well, and it has soft closing inches, so you don't have to be slamming any door or hear any door slamming. So we are on to the Lamina now, and the Lamina is $151,000. It has an Italian porcelain countertop, and you know, drawers to store your beauty supplies and all. We are heading over to this section where we have the River. The River comes with this side cabinet, which gives you extra storage for all your bathroom needs and supplies. With the cabinet, the side cabinet, the basin and the faucet, all white, you get it for only $164,000. It comes with the LED mirror as well that you can dim and all. Over here we have the Smile, and as the name suggests, the smile shaped invisible handle will give you a bright mood every time you see it. It has artificial stone and LED mirror, and it also has this side cabinet which gives you extra storage. So if you're looking for something with extra storage, this one is for you. The Stefan Complete unit here is for $80,000. So if you're looking for something like this, you can always come and get it here. Around this side, they have this shower room. You can get this one for only $93,000. So if you're looking for something of this size, you can always come and grab it. If you're looking for something on the luxurious end, you will love this one. At $2.6 million, this high-tech luxurious design vanity. It has a solid wood cabinet, stainless steel frame. It comes with an electrical induction open and close lift drawer. It's built-in towel pole so you can hang your towel. It has an Austrian wooden drawer slide. The mirror is a wood frame, and that also has a magnifying glass in the middle. The basin is a black quartz sand integrated basin. So guys, for that price you can come and grab it. This is the Doric, and the Doric pedestal sink comes with a LED silver half mirror. Its anti-fogging feature also removes water vapor off mirror with one single touch. So if you're interested in this one, you can always come and get it. So if you're looking for different countertops, they have them showcased here in the colors and the design that you can get them in. Over this section we have the Wave, and as the name suggests, it features a unique ripple-like drawer front. It comes in matte black countertop, gray, white, whatever it is. You get the basin and countertop and the mirror. It provides sufficient storage as well, and for 410k you get the Italian white porcelain slab as well. The reflective surface helps to attract natural and artificial lighting, which makes the place look brighter and larger. So if you find this video helpful and you're upgrading a bathroom, please remember to subscribe at the end of this video. If you love this video, you will love the next video on screen. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.